This is very unique.
You videoed this car before.
Okay.
When it was different.
Yes, ma'am. What's your name and what's in here first? Go ahead.
James, 9 Brazilian Sound Gold 10s in a 6.5 order. I don't know the tuning. And a Banda Electra 12K at 0.89.
I remember
I
this.
think you did a
6.5 order. 10.
Yeah, Joe
Yep.
Walker originally built this, and then it's been through several people's hands, and I just reconed all the subs, and
Okay.
so
Are you happy with it?
so far, still trying to break it in and get it going.
Okay. What's the electrical side of it?
320 amp alt, 2-aught welding wire all the way through, and then I'm running 75 amp hour lithium bank.
Okay. Just so I can get
One of the
view.
cones I actually pushed in. So.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High.
Wow. What's your SPL test? Anything on it ever?
I just finished it up this morning.
Okay.
So still breaking in all the subs and stuff like that. So
Got it. All right.
you can push the seat back. It's
That's for Subflex. I'm going to record it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I do things way different than most people. Sorry. It's not about me. It's about the video. If that makes sense. Yeah. That's crazy. You can push all of these subs off that amp. So you did good. Do you know the impedance on it when you wired all the subs together?
Yeah. So they're all it's all series parallel. So like I said, it's still breaking in, and I still needed more lithium banks. But
Yeah. Pretty.
I'm probably gonna redo the ports.
It's pretty cool that the subs are all flexing the same way. You had it phased right, so that's pretty cool. Very unique. All right, if I go look at the back real quick too. Well, your door is really heavy. That's good for the flex. So, do you know the final impedance on this? Like 0.8 or 1.2?
0.89.
Okay. This is very unique though. It's a 6.5 order if I remember right. Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High.
Você
push all of these subs off that amp, so you did good.